Hello, this is Dmog. Welcome to the introduction of building a redstone computer in Minecraft. This video, I'm just going to be showing you some basic gates that I'll be using throughout the upcoming parts. I'll be explaining a little bit about what process I'm going to be going through. For this computer, I'm following a tutorial made by Ben Eater over his 8-bit computer. Except, well, it's in Minecraft now. So to start off with, I'm going to go over what these are. This is an exclusive OR gate. You can have one input on or the other, but if you have both inputs on, the output turns off. This is an AND gate. You can have one input on or the other, but the output doesn't turn on unless you have both inputs on. This is an OR gate. You have either one input or the other, or both. And no matter what, the output will be on. Output is only off if both are off. You have a NOT gate, or an inverter. Whenever the output is off, that's when the input is on. And when the input is off, the output is on. Then we have two designs of an instant repeater. When making this computer, you're going to want the redstone to be extremely fast. Regular redstone repeaters take up a tick every time it goes through. It can take up even more if you go and extend the length. But using a repeater, using one of these instant repeaters, it goes and makes it so that you can instantaneously turn on the redstone from any arbitrary distance that is chunk loaded, I guess. And it'll turn on instantly, or nearly instantly. And there's two designs for this for a reason. This first design is extremely compact. It can also be used in a single row, which is very useful. But it requires a signal of at least 2 ticks. If the signal is too short, leaves the block over here, and the line stays on. This one, however, has no such limit, but in return, it's much bigger. As you see, redstone turns on, but I can flick it just fine. This will be important when we start building our clock, and we need to switch over from automatic clock to manual clock. You could have extremely short pulses when you're switching over, and, well, you don't want that to mess up this instant repeater. These two gates we'll get to later on in the series. They'll play their part. I don't know who made these gates. I believe a YouTuber made this one. I'm sorry, but I don't remember his name right now. And these other gates I'm completely clueless to. These two, however, are my own design. Probably quite obviously, I mean, I'm not the best at redstone, so it's a little clunky, but gets the job done. So for this introduction of the gates, we should be pretty much done. Next up, I'm going to go through the process. I'm just going to say short list. It's most likely going to go along the lines of making the computer's clock, then going and making the RAM of the computer, random access memory, and then maybe registers and uh, the adder. Also, while I'm making the adder, I could add other math procedures such as division, multiplication, subtraction. Then I'll be working on storage, program counter, and writing programs, and then working on a display and a small like video driver, I guess. And once that's all completed, we should have a working computer made of redstone in Minecraft. I'll be using completely vanilla redstone for building the computer. I don't know if you saw, but I do have a mod installed, Computer Craft. However, that's for other projects, which I'll probably get into in some other video. This was quite short, but it's just an introduction. I'll get into the main portion in another video. Could come out today, could come out next week. Who knows? I don't have a schedule. I'm bad with that. Don't expect much from me, alright? Anyways, thanks for watching.